The brand gifted me these sticker scenes. There are 6 in a pack, and I just completed this one. It's not all the way done yet, but I wanted to give you some tips, some things I like, and then one thing I wish was different. Here's the packaging that it came in. Then when you open it up, there are 6 different scenes, and then the tweezers, and then a little cover for the tweezers. So it comes with 6 in a pack, and I do love how they're all individually packaged. If you're using these as party favors or little gifts for somebody, these are really great because they're all individually packaged and there's a lot of variety in the different scenes. So I just opened up one of the packs and here's what's included. So it's the little scene where you can put all the stickers on. Here are the stickers that go with it. And then on the package, there's a little tiny display of what it looks like. Now, obviously you don't have to follow this exactly. You can arrange it however you want, but here's an example so you can kind of follow that if you want to. Now I went ahead and did this one right here. It's the Puppy Cake Shop. And it's super cute. They do include the tweezers, and I actually did not use these. I found that they were a little bit difficult to use, so I just found it easier to just use my fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So some of these are really, really small, so I get why they included the tweezers, but for me personally, it was hard for me to get them off with the tweezers. I'll go ahead and show you. Maybe I'm not doing it correctly, but it was kind of hard for me to do it with the tweezers. It was just faster for me to use my fingernails and just to peel it off that way. So you can kind of see it was way faster for me to just use my fingernails. Now I don't need this one. And so it's nice because if you don't need the sticker, you can just stick it right back on. A few times while I was creating this, I did make a mistake and had to peel it off, and they do peel off. So they are reusable in the sense where if you make a mistake, you can take it off. So let me go ahead and show you. So I'm going to do a little dessert right here. So they are really small, but like I said, it was much easier for me to just use my fingers. You just kind of do it a couple times and get it to come off. And then I'm going to go ahead and stick it right here on top of this display. And then say you change your mind, you don't want it there, you can just kind of peel it off again. So they are reusable and you can just peel it off and stick it somewhere else, like up here, for example. Go ahead and stick it on. And then if you change your mind again, or if you want to redo the scene, you just peel it off and then you can stick it right back on the sticker sheet. So I do love that aspect. And there's so many different options. That's really nice because here's all the stickers that are left. So here's my scene so far. I did not follow the scene that they gave you right here. This is just a lot going on. And for me, I just like to create my own scene. So this is what I did. You could obviously follow this if you want to. And there were several times where I was kind of following this to begin with. And I realized I put a piece on and there's a piece that goes underneath, like the sign right here. I put the window and then I realized that the sign goes underneath the window. So I had to peel off the window, put the sign, and then put the window back on. And it worked fine for me to peel it off and then re-stick it on. So I love that you can move around the pieces and that you're not locked in once you stick it on, that you can still move it around and change your scene. You can definitely add to this over time. To create this scene right here, it took me 17 minutes from start to finish. So just to kind of give you a guide on how long it actually takes, it was 17 minutes and it was really relaxing. Honestly, I was just sitting here and listening to my audiobook and it was a really relaxing activity. As far as ages, I definitely think that upper elementary could definitely do this. I think lower elementary would be a little bit frustrating with the smaller pieces, like the little cake pieces. I think it'd be too hard to get off for lower elementary levels. I would say like 10 and older, maybe 8 and older if they're more advanced with arts and crafts. But it does require some focus and attention to detail to complete the scenes. But I definitely think that anything upper elementary, middle school, high school, or adults could definitely do this and have a lot of fun with it. These are super cute and really fun to do in a group or listening to music or watching a show. It's a really relaxing activity to do. I'm typically not an arts and crafts type girl, and I really did enjoy doing this activity, and I could definitely see myself sitting here and listening to my audiobook again and just completing the scene, or completing it for today and then coming back a different day and then rearranging it and making it into a new scene. There's a lot of options with these because the stickers do come off and they're reusable. Now, one thing I do wish was different is I do wish that this was more of a durable material, because whenever you do have to bend it to get the stickers off, I just worry over time this is not going to hold up well because this isn't just cardstock. So I do wish that this part was more of like a laminated material or something like that. But like I said, I have been peeling off the stickers and you can't see any of the bends or anything. So it is a high quality cardstock. I just wish that maybe it was laminated or a little bit more durable, but definitely still a really great value. And you can still fold it and peel the stickers off, no problem. So these are all really adorable scenes and I'm excited to keep doing these. These are really relaxing and a great activity to do to just unwind after a long day.